little bit of question answer session. I'll explain the question to you from my PowerPoint presentation, and then I'll come back again in the chat box to ask you the answer of that question. Okay, this I'll be doing for lesson number 6. I'll be stopping my PowerPoint presentation in between, and I'll be coming back again in the chat box, because when my presentation is open, I'm not able to see your chats. So I'll be starting with the presentation, explain you the presentation, and then I'll be coming back to the chats. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so everyone can hear me. Now I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Okay, last sessions, something is left, na? Right or wrong is left. Okay, this I'll be explaining you first. This all is left that I'll be explaining you first, and then I'll be coming to lesson number. I can ask questions regarding this also, no? Okay, so right or wrong, this is of lesson number 5, which we had left last time. The number 1, which is there, Samir drank water from the pot and left the lid beside it. So what did Samir do? He drank the water from the pot and he did not close the pot. He left the lid beside. Why I'm not getting this? So everyone read the question, first one. Samir drank water from the pot and left the lid beside it. I'm coming back again in the chat box and tell me whether it is right or wrong that Samir should drink the water and he should leave the lid, that is the cover, on the side. I got Yashasri and Grishma. They gave the answer. Okay, very good. Manoj Chaudhary, very good. Bhumi, I'm asking right or wrong, beta. Swara, very good. Siddhi, spelling is wrong, beta. Aradhya, good. Please give the answer only once. Again and again, don't type. I get confused with the name. Okay? Type your answer only once. Rigved, what you have written, I cannot understand. Okay. Priya, Alia, Sanket, very good. Okay. Now going to the next question. Again, sharing my screen. It should open directly, na? Yes, it is opening directly. So the answer is wrong. The next one, number 2. Nisha waters her plants with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. So the question is, Nisha waters her plants with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. Now again coming back to the chat box, tell me whether it is right or wrong. She waters the plant with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. We are doing lesson number 5, Atharva. Okay, so Manoj, Girishma, Tejas. Manoj, I said give the answer only once, huh? Anamta, Priya, beta, your answer is wrong. How you have given this answer? Tell me. Nisha is using the water that she has used for cleaning the dishes. That means she has used the water. Sneha, Vedant, your answer is wrong, beta. Admin, please write your name. I'm not going to call out admin. Sakshi, good. Manoj, again you gave the answer. Swara, good. Bhumi. Manoj, I'm not going to take your name. If again and again you're going to type. Parvati, wrong answer, beta. Sakshi, good. Aradhya, good. Sneha. Beta, I have stopped sharing my screen because I want to see your answers. When I open my PowerPoint presentation, your answers are not visible to me. So I have to close it. Okay. Anamta, good. Avinash, your answer is wrong. Yashasri, good. Sakshi and Shivam. Good. Swara, I called out your name, na? Vedant, your answer is wrong. Atharva, it is textbook page number 35. Okay. Azhan, it is right or wrong? You have to specify whether it is right, whether it is wrong. Ragini, you don't know which subject I am teaching, beta. Ragini, I am teaching EVS 1, lesson number 5. Atharva, I told the textbook page number. Okay, Mishika, Sneha, Vihang, Priya. Okay, now back to our screen. The third question. Let us see. So we got Nisha waters her plants with the water she has used for cleaning the dishes. Right. Number 3, when water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pot and fills it again. So when water comes, Sai, she removes all the water from the pot and she fills it again. So let's see whether this is right or wrong. Tell me, come on, what it is. When water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pot and fills it again. Is it right? Is it wrong? Okay. Okay, Anamta. Siddhi, Sakshi, Yashri, Sanket, Sneha, Sakshi and Shivam, Swara, Manoj, Omkar. Rutat, your answer is wrong. Sheikh Sakina, right. Sakshi, good. Priya, Harshada, Atharva. Rutat, wrong answer. Why you want to give again and again, beta? Sneha, Marzia, Parvati. Rutat, I called out your name, no? Okay, this is again wrong answer he has given. Yashasri, Mishika, spelling is wrong, beta. Bhumi, Anamta, I called out your name. Sheikh Sakina, I called out your name. Okay, Azhan, Sayyeda, spelling is wrong, beta. Please give me the answer only once. Only one time post your answer. Because again and again I'm getting the same names and I'm getting confused. Okay. Sayyeda, pay attention on the spelling, beta. It's okay. Virat, Dun Rajesh. Okay, going to the next question now. Again, sharing my screen. So we got when water comes in the tap, Sai empties her pot and fills it again. That is wrong. The last one in right or wrong. Reshma carries drinking water with her when she goes for picnic. So whenever Reshma goes for picnic, she carries her own drinking water. So what's the answer? The answer is right. What Rigved is telling, I touch on my mic button, mic is not starting and also your voice is not coming. Better increase the volume of your phone or check your network. Your voice is not going to come to me because we have switched off the volume button of yours. Your voice you cannot hear. You should listen to my voice, what I am saying. Okay? See, check your network. Okay, Rutat, Priya, Sneha, Yashri, Swara, Sakshi, Siddhi, Omkar, Bhumi, Ananya, Sheikh Sakina, Fatima. Vihang, beta, right or wrong, I asked here. Atharva, then Sneha, Girishma, Parvati, Bhumi, Dhun, Rajesh, Marzia, Virat, Ragini, Manoj, Ramesh Chaudhary. Okay, so why I'm seeing only the same names? Sayyeda, why others are not answering? Jia, Virat Yadav and Virat Rai, both are different. Okay, Tanish, spelling is wrong, beta. Samrat and Jia, beta, it is not yes or no. The question is right or wrong. If you write yes or no, your answer will be considered wrong because they have specified that whether it is right whether it is wrong. They have not asked yes or no. They have asked right or wrong. So if you give the answer in yes or no, your answer will be marked wrong in the exam. Okay, you have to follow whatever question they have given. Where are the others? Only few selected students are giving the answer. Now Arnav is saying no. Why? Beta, check your network now. Why my voice is not coming to you? When you touch the mic button, they have something. This caption comes. You have to click on that caption, I suppose. Okay. Okay. Now stopping this, going back again to our screen share. Okay. So this I'm going to explain you from textbook page number 33. I'm explaining you this. I'm not asking you. I'm explaining you. Which fuel pump is used to run the following machines? The hand pump that lifts water from a bore well. So we have to press the hand pump and then the water comes from the hole. So here we are using the muscular energy, our power, our muscle power here we are using. So we get the water in the hand pump. So which energy is used over here? Muscular energy is used. Then the pump used to store water in the water tower. This is a water tower and this is a pump which is used to store the water in the water tower. Which energy is used? Yes, electricity or diesel energy is used. When the pump runs, the water fills up in the tank. So this electricity, either the pump runs on electricity or diesel, and with the help of the pump, we get the water filled up in the water tower. The tanker that brings water to a certain area. So tanker means it is a vehicle. So vehicle uses diesel or petrol, isn't it? It is a sort of a vehicle. It has 4 tires, it runs on engines. So the fuel which is used, it is diesel or petrol that the tanker uses so that it can bring water to certain area. Okay. Now, can you tell if the rule is for everyone in the house to cook for themselves, what would be the advantages? When everyone is cooking in the house, we get different dishes to eat. There is variety in food. The disadvantage is everyone is busy cooking only. No one is doing any other job because everyone is busy cooking. Everyone has to cook their own food. This way, gas is also wasted. Too much vegetable is used. And if too much cooking is done and too much food is left, that is also wasted. So that is the disadvantage. If every family had to collect the water they need every day from the river, what would be the advantage? Now, when everyone is collecting the water, that means one person is not having the headache of collecting water. He is not liable that only I have to collect water. It's everyone's duty. First thing. Second thing, when you are bringing your own water, you recognize the value of water and you do not waste water, because you know if you waste water, the water is finished. Again, you have to go and collect the water. So that way, the value of water is more understood. The disadvantage, as I told you, everyone is busy collecting water only. Everyone is going to the river collecting water. This way, everyone is busy only in one work. Everyone becomes tired doing only one work. So that is the disadvantage. And while coming, going, everyone, some of the other little bit water drops down. So that way, the water wastage is also there when everyone is going to and fro from the river collecting water. So that disadvantage is also there. Okay. Then the next question is, why have people begun to use plastic or steel containers for storing water? Use your brain power. Now, as we know, plastic and steel, they are easier to clean. The very fast we can clean it. It is very easy. It doesn't become that much dirty that we cannot clean it. It is easier to clean. Then it does not turn black. If you see copper, tamba, it turns black. This way, the plastic steel item does not turn black. It is lightweight. The weight of this is light, means already it is light. When you fill up water, it will become heavy. But if you go for copper or if you go for iron utensils, they are already very heavy. And when you fill up the water, it will become more heavy. But in the case of plastic and steel, they are very light. Easy to carry because they are lightweight. They are easy to carry. You can carry it from one place to another. It's not necessary that if you are not able, it's very heavy, you cannot carry. Because it is lightweight, you can carry it from one place to another place. Okay. So this we completed of lesson number 5. Now we'll go on lesson number 6. Okay. Revision of lesson number 6, variety in food. Now the first I'll be doing is circle the odd one out in the given food items. Write why it is the odd one. Now here we have mango pickle, that is achar, mango jam, mango pulp, and mango. Now why it is, which one of this is odd and why it is odd, you have to tell me. Okay, so everyone got the question? If you want to refer the question in the textbook, it's there on page number 41 in the textbook, and in the workbook part 1, it is there on page number 3940. Okay, so we have to circle out the food item which is odd and tell also that why it is odd. We have got mango pickle, that is mango achar, mango jam, mango pulp, and mango. Okay, this already I've explained you in the lesson. Now I want the answer from you. Coming back to your chats. Okay, why it is odd? I want to know that also. I know what is the odd one, but why it is odd? Why it is odd? Mango is odd, I know, but why it is odd? Shivam, you have doubt. What type of doubt, Siddhi? Yes, Sarthak. Very good, Sarthak. Very good, Rutarth. No, Priya, the answer is wrong. Where milkshake is given, Omkar? Unnecessarily don't disturb if you don't know the answer. Rutarth, beta, I got your answer. I know. No, Sneha, your answer is wrong. Beta, you are mute. You can give the answer in the chat box. I know you are mute. Virat, where banana is given in that? Disadvantage is when you are not getting any benefit from him. आपको कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. That is disadvantage. I know the answer. Priya, your answer is wrong. Yashasri, very good. No, Aradhya. Okay, Ananya, very good. Not paying attention to my explanation. Mohini, what have you typed? Grishma, very good. What others are doing? This you are going to write in the exam also, beta. So you can type also, I suppose, if you know the answer. Azan, just now I explained the meaning of disadvantage. Someone had asked, I don't know, I don't remember her name. That girl has asked. So I explained her why you are getting confused. No, Siddhi, your answer is wrong. Sayyeda, you gave one answer and now you are saying good afternoon, beta. Very good, Bhumi. Very good, Anamta. Priya, answer is wrong. Swara, I'm taking your name. You give the answer, I take the name now. You are just telling me what to circle. I want to know why we have to circle that. Before this, how many times I took your name, Swara? Incomplete answer if you are giving. So what I should do? Complete your answer and then take your name, Swara? Yes, then. Tanish, why it is odd? I want to know that, beta. Okay, Anuradha, I'll come for your birthday. Okay. Now, going back to the next question. Sharing my screen. This shows you people have not prepared yourself for the exam and you are not paying attention to my explanation also. Now, I asked you, circle the odd one out in the given food item. Write why it is the odd one. We have got mango pickle, mango jam, mango pulp, and mango. In this, mango is the odd one out. That was correct for everyone. You will get half mark for this. But why it was out? All the other items, they are processed products of the fruit or they are prepared using mango. So mango is the odd one out. Mango is the fruit and all other items are prepared using mango. So easy that you people are not saying. Don't tell me you people don't know to type. Don't tell me that you people don't know to type. You people WhatsApp na, there you need typing. So don't give me that excuse you people don't know to type. You have not paid attention. The next one. Now here again we have to circle and tell the odd one. The first one is pulao, paratha, dahi baat, and biryani. So my question is, which is the odd one out? Pulao, paratha, dahi baat, and biryani. Okay, coming back. Coming back to the chats, which is the odd one and why? Very good, Yashasri. Very good, Ananta. Don't give me what you have to circle. Tell me why you are circling that. Why you will circle that. Those who are giving only the circle name, I'm not going to call out their name. Give me the full answer, I'll call your name. Very good, Ruta. You are just going to tell me the circle word. I'm not going to call out your name. Then don't tell me, miss, why you are not calling out my name. Very good, Sarthak. Very good, Girishma. Use your brain. And you can type it. It is very easy. Okay, Vidhi. Given. Okay, good. Where are the others? Very good, Manoj Chaudhary. Okay, Swara, incomplete. Try to write full sentence, beta. But at least you tried. Very good. Okay, Swara. Manoj Chaudhary, I called out your name. I read your answer. Don't message again, beta. Atharva, your answer is wrong. Your circled is also wrong and your answer full is wrong. Very good, Bhumi. Very good, Sayyeda. Pay attention on your spelling, Sayyeda. Very good. Parvati, incomplete, beta. आधा है वो. Rudra, what are you typing? Okay, very good, Ananya. Very good, Sakshi. Okay, so that was very good. This time many students have given the full answer. See, when the question is divided into two parts. You have to circle the odd one and you have to write why it is the odd one. So when you circle, you get half marks. And when you write the answer, you get half marks. Means, if the question is of 2 marks, you will get only 1 mark. When you circle, you lose 1 mark. That is so easy for writing. If you are not writing, you lose that 1 mark. Okay. Ame Samir Surve, what are you typing? Okay, Siddhi, very good. Rigved, very good. Okay, now going back to my screen. Very good. That was very nice. Many of you have answered. Very good. Okay. So I asked pulao, paratha, dahi baat, and biryani. The odd one is paratha because paratha is prepared by using wheat flour and all other food items are prepared by using rice. So that was very good. Many of you have given the answer. Very good. Let's go to the next question. The next question is, we have got Mysore Pak, Puran Poli, Thali Peet, Junka Bakar. So we have got Mysore Pak, Puran Poli, Thali Peet, Junka Bakar. Which is the odd one? You have to answer me, and why. Going back again to your chats. I want to know the reason. Only the word I don't want. I want the reason. Very good, Yashasri. Very good, Rutat. A little bit incomplete, Rutat, but very good. Sarthak, where were you, hero? You are asking me what is the question. This is the third one I am doing, and now you are asking me the question. Very good, Manoj Ramesh Chaturvedi. Sorry, Chaudhary. Sorry. Manoj Ramesh Chaudhary. Sorry, huh? Grishma, very good. Vidhi, that reason is wrong, beta. All the items. क्या? Excuse me. The reason which you have given, no, there are 2 sweet items in that and 2 spicy items. So that reason is wrong, huh? Who gave me that? Ruta, that reason is wrong, beta. Okay. No, Vidhi. Your answer is wrong. Very good, Sakshi. Very good, Bhumi. No, Sayyeda, beta. Your answer is wrong. So, where are others? Not even trying. No, I'll explain you, Sayyeda. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, very good, Ananya. Okay, so I'll stop. Go back again to my, sorry, where is my, going back to my screen. Explaining, listen to the explanation, everyone. Pay attention. I asked you which is the odd one and why it is the odd one. I've got Mysore Pak, I've got Puran Poli, I have got Thali Peet, I have got Junka Bakar. Now, 3-4 students, they said that Mysore Pak is sweet, but even Puran Poli is sweet. So that way we cannot say which is the odd one. That answer is wrong. One gave that all are roti, that is also wrong. If you see thali pit and all, they are not considered as roti. It is something else. So here, Mysore Pak is the famous food item from Karnataka, and all the other items, they are from Maharashtra. I have explained you, this map was there. I have explained you along with the photos that what is famous in which state. Don't remember, na? Not paid attention. So here Mysore Pak is the odd one out because Mysore Pak we get in Karnataka. It is a famous food item of Karnataka, and other all 3 items are famous food item from Maharashtra. That's why Mysore Pak is the odd one out. Okay? Understood this? Move. I hope, Sayyeda, everything is clear. Vidhi and or bhi koi tha who said that it is sweet and all. So pay attention. Okay? Now, the next question is, this question is there in your textbook, page number 41, and in your workbook, page number 42. Guess whether each of the following items is a grain or a vegetable, and make a list of the food items that can be prepared from each. So, this is, first we have to guess the name of the food item and what we can make from the food item, that we have to tell. So everyone saw this picture, what I have got over here? Got? Okay. So now coming back to my chats. Okay, Siddhi, and what it is used? Sakina giving me the photo again, beta. I want the name. Okay, it is guess whether each of the following item is a grain or a vegetable. You have to specify whether it is a grain or a vegetable. वो grain है क्या vegetable है, and then what we can make from it. The name is already given. It is maize. Whether it is grain, whether it is vegetable. No, Sakina. No, beta. Your answer is wrong. Whether it is a grain, whether it is vegetable, and what it is used for. Okay, Tanish, he told me what it is used for. Prince, I want to know whether it is vegetable or whether it is a grain and what it is used for. Okay, Sayyeda, very good. Okay, very good, Yashasri. Very good. Okay, Ananya, very good. Swara, very good. Anamta, very good. Girishma, what have you typed, beta? Summer, mango, kya hai ye? Aradhya, very good. Rigved, very good. Sakina Fatima, very good. Rutat, very good. Tanishki gave the answer. Sarthak, very good. Bhumi, very good. Parvati, very good. Nahi Sayyeda, your answer is wrong, beta. Sakshi, I'm still on maize. आप गवार पे क्यों पहुंच गए बेटा? I'm still on maize. Shivam, I'm still on maize. कौन पर ही हूँ अभी तक? Now going back. Okay, sharing my screen. So I have got this food item is called maize and it is a grain and it can be made into bhakri, paratha, soup, etc. Okay. Now the second item they have given is pumpkin. So the picture, it is a pumpkin. Now you have to tell me what it is. Whether it is a vegetable, whether it is a grain and what it is made. Okay, Anamta, very good. Manoj, that answer completed. We have moved on to next one. Then Rutat, very good. Sayyeda, very good. Manoj Chaudhary, very good. Atharva, Sakina, Aradhya, Vedant, Rutuja, Ananya, Parvati. Rutat gave the full answer. Very good, Rutat. Girishma, Sayyeda, Mohammad Azan, Sakina Fatima. Very good. Tanish, Priya, Siddhi, Sayyeda, Vedant, Yashsri, very good. Divya, Siddhi, Swara. What to explain, Swara? Let me know, beta. Atharva, why time is wasted, beta? Tell me. This is not a revision. If you next week exams are there, your orals are starting, you should be knowing all this now. That means you have not studied. I have explained this everything before. It's not that I have not explained. This is a revision part which is going on. And now I came to know that you people are not paying attention in my class because you people don't know. Mohammad Azan, Virat, Mehak, Yashasri, Sanket. Okay. Going back. Okay, so it is pumpkin. It is a vegetable and it is used for making sabzi, that is bhaji, salad, pumpkin pie. Okay. The next picture is cluster beans. What it is? Cluster beans or gawar. We call it gawar. So it is a vegetable. What it is? It is a vegetable and here it is used for making sabzi, salad, etc. Why I gave the answer to this? Because stopping my screen sharing. I have stopped my screen sharing. Okay, I'm in the chat box. Why I explained you Gawar cluster bean? Because it's already 2:57. We have got more 3 minutes. My lessons I try to explain nicely, but this is the first time I'm doing this question answer session, and I found that my children are not paying attention. I'm very disappointed. I thought you people pay attention when I explain. Next time, I'm going to keep half time for explanation and half time for question answer session. That way I'll come to know that how much you are having. Yes, Anamta, what doubt you have, beta? Thank you, Sayyeda. Okay, Manoj. Please, next week your exams are starting, orals are there, writtens are there. Pay attention. Now you have still not started with your studies. Still you people don't know. Then how are you going to write in the exam? Now this time you are writing the exam from home. So you know you can open your book. Some may be doing it. I'm not telling that. But now online, when offline schools will start and you'll have to come to school and write the paper, then how you will write? You should study now. Also pay attention on your study. Okay. Thank you, Sayyeda. Thank you, Sakina. Yes, Siddhi, cluster bean. I don't know that what dish is cooked from cluster bean, beta. From Gawar, it is a vegetable, and from it normally we prepare sabzi in India. But when you go outside, it can be used as a salad also. And different cultures use, or different places, they have different uses. Now in India, normally we use sabzi, we make it into sabzi. Salads are also made. Right now, we are doing the exams online only. The schools have opened for the elder children, the bigger children. I don't know when your school is going to open. As soon as the government allows, we'll open the school. Don't worry. But prepare yourself. Don't be under the impression that you are going to see from the book and write. So it will be very easy. You want to solve some questions, Sarthak? But the time is up. Next time I told her, next time I'll keep half my lecture as explanation and half lecture as question answer session. That will be good. I enjoyed, many of the students gave answers. I enjoyed it, but others did not participate. I felt bad. Next time I want all the students to participate. Okay. So this was my last lecture of this term. We finished unit test. Now this is the semester which is becoming. So I finished half of the book explaining you. This is my last lecture which I'll be conducting for this term. Now we'll meet again in the next semester after your semester exam. Okay. You people have been very good students. Loved you all. Love you all. Bless you all. Okay. Now all the best for your exam. Do the exam nicely. Okay. Study for the exam and write it properly. We'll meet again in the next semester. Okay. Everyone take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Thank you, Siddhi. Everyone take care. Bye-bye. All the best. Ending the session now. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best.